Today we will do a different kind of meditation. At times there are situations where we are not able to find a solution to an unwanted problem which has come to us out of the blue. It may be a relationship issue. Everything was going fine and suddenly some problem comes up in the relationship. And sometimes maybe uh, unknowingly or knowingly a stranger files a court case on us, where actually we are not involved in any way in the case, and we are pushed into that court case. At times we are given a bulk order for our business and we don't know how we will be able to complete it. There are many such things for which we are not able to think immediately. For this, I have this water manifestation meditation, which is done at night. What we need to do for this is that we need to take a glass of water, a small glass of water, not the big glass, because we will be doing this before our sleeping time. We will take a small glass of water, a transparent and a glass water. You can see that the small glass is ticked and the bigger glass is crossed, because we will not have much water just before retiring to bed. We might be inclined to go to the washroom and this will disturb our sleep. So take a small glass of water, hold it with both your hands, and all the fingers should be touching the glass. All the 10 fingers of your hands should be touching the glass. Hold the glass in both your hands and say your wish with complete faith and belief that guide me in the divine order. Say your problem. Guide me in the divine order for the best solution to and the problem at last, and have complete faith and belief and purity of mind and your thoughts when you say this prayer with the glass of water in your hand. Maybe you can say it in your mind 3 to 5 times till you feel your intention has gone, or only just one time also is enough. That depends totally on you, how you feel good and satisfied. Again, don't run after the results. Once you have done this with complete faith and belief, drink half the water from the glass that you were holding in your hand and cover the remaining half just beside your bed and retire to your bed. You'll not be going anywhere after you do this water manifestation prayer and meditation. You'll immediately go to sleep after this, and in between, if you feel thirsty at night, keep another bottle or something by your side through which you can have water. This water will not be consumed during the night time. Cover the remaining half of the water throughout the night. Now, when you are about to get up from your sleep, you will not go to sleep anymore. Drink the remaining half of the water just after getting up in the morning. Before you step down, before you put your first step on Mother Earth, on the ground, take that water, the half glass water in your hand. Remove the cover, take the half glass of water in your hand. Remember the intention that you had put in the water and drink it. Just do this small practice for whatever problem you have. This really works wonders because it has worked wonders on many people. Don't wait, don't expect results, or don't count on the results when you are doing it. Just put your intentions and things will definitely work out. Your intentions count. Maybe at times you will feel, no, I don't want to do it now anymore. That's your choice, totally your choice, because you're putting your intention. Maybe if one of your problems has been resolved and something else you have in your mind, you can do this small water manifestation meditation at night before sleeping. For anything that you want, for any answer that you want, for any guidance that you want. This is the simplest form of meditation or manifestation for your wishes. Nothing simpler than this. See, the glass will be empty, then you wash it and do it each and every day till you want to do it. For one wish at one time only. For only at one time, it's only for one wish. Don't add many wishes at one time. Just one and only one. Maybe you have got a big contract in your factory. You don't know how you'll be able to complete it on time. Nothing, you have not planned anything. All of a sudden things come up. Do this technique. Maybe a unwanted court case by a stranger. Do this. Maybe a relationship issue, or be it anything. Do it and see the results yourself. It is miraculous with your intentions, faith and belief. Do it and share this technique with more of your friends. Maybe somebody else also wants it. You can share the video, and once you start doing this, please share your comments and feedbacks and any suggestions as to what you are looking from me. Thank you so much. Please do it and share it with others also.